Be sure to have set up your loyalty program before using your digital loyalty software. Head to store.loyalzoo.com or install LoyalZoo for Business from your app market to get the LoyalZoo software running on your point of sale. Now share this video with your staff to make sure they know how to navigate your new digital loyalty program. Promote your loyalty program by using marketing in-store and by asking every customer to sign up at the time of payment. There are lots of options on how to sign a customer up. The easiest way is by taking your customer's phone number or email and typing it into the LoyalZoo search box. Or you can use a customer-facing tablet so they can input their own details. For fast-paced environments, you can ask your customers to download the free LoyalZoo app, which will add your customer's name to the top of your loyalty list. Now you have your customers signed up, it's time to give them points. It's recommended to award 1 point per dollar or pound spent, so it's easy for staff and customers to understand. Tap the green point buttons to award points. Your customer will then receive a points notification via SMS, email, or push, depending on how they signed up. Use the LoyalZoo Smart search box to look up customers. Any content in the customer's profile will start filtering after typing 3 characters. This makes finding a customer really easy and quick. When they have enough points to redeem a reward, it will turn yellow. Now tap the reward to redeem. Any promotions available will also be coloured in yellow and are clickable, so you can view redeemed promotions, customer points, and rewards history by tapping the last purchase date. You can also add rapport building notes by editing your customer's profile and give extra special care to those who are noted as VIP, new, or slipping away. If you make a mistake when adding points or giving a reward, simply tap the undo button. For any further queries, chat with us at LoyalZoo.